In this video, I will explain the Team Kumite scoring process in Yabinya Karate Pro. Here, I have a category called Junior Male Kumite Team, with a team size of 5 athletes. Next, let's see how the Team Kumite scoring process works. On Tatami Admin, select the Team Kumite category, then click Start Scoring from the button on the bracket. This is the scoring interface for Team Kumite. On the right panel, there are 5 matches, based on the team size defined in the category settings. First, for each match, we select the competitors who will compete. Choose the competitors from the drop-down list. Then click Save Match. What happens if the same competitor is selected more than once? The system will automatically detect if an athlete has already been assigned to another match. Next, click Start Scoring or Next Round to begin the match. The scoring display is the same as individual kumite. Click Start Scoreboard, then Start View Screen to display the second screen. Proceed with the scoring process. And then save the match result. For the next round, click Next Round. Now, let's continue with the scoring process. In addition to using Next Round, you can also click Start Scoring directly from the match list. For a match that ends in a draw, or hikiwake, click this option. For example, if the match ends with a 1-to-1 score without senshu, we set the result as hikiwake. On the scoreboard, matches with hikiwake results will be displayed in gray. Now, let's continue with the scoring process. Okay, now let's complete the match with a winner from the red corner, or AKA. On the scoreboard, AKA has 3 wins and AO has 1 wins. Then click Save Result. The bracket will be updated automatically. Next, if the match ends with equal points, a tie-break will be applied based on the total points obtained by both teams. We can save the result as a win for AO, or in another scenario, if an additional match is required, we can add an extra bout. Click Extra Bout, then select the athletes who will compete in the extra match. Click Save Match, and then start scoring. Here, as an example, the extra match is won by AKA. And then save the match result. Finally, click Save Result.